everyone, and welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore one very common word in English, expensive. But not just that, we'll learn 12 different ways to say expensive in English, and I'll show you how to use them naturally in sentences. Let's dive right in. 1. Expensive. Of course, we start with the word expensive. It simply means something costs a lot of money. This car is really expensive. I can't afford it. Their hotel rooms are too expensive for us. 2. Costly. Next, we have costly. This word is more formal, and it's often used when something has a high price or leads to a big loss. Repairing the engine was a costly mistake. Buying a house in that area is costly. 3. Pricey. Pricey is a more informal and casual word. The food at that restaurant is a bit pricey, but it's delicious. That jacket looks nice, but it's too pricey for me. 4. Steep. We can also say something has a steep price. This means the price is too high, maybe even unfair. I wanted to buy that backpack, but the price was too steep. They charge steep fees for international students. 5. Dear. In British English, people sometimes use dear to mean expensive. Petrol is getting dear these days. Those shoes are nice, but they're a bit dear. 6. Overpriced. Overpriced means something costs more than it's worth. This coffee is good, but it's definitely overpriced. The tickets were totally overpriced for what we got. 7. Worth a king's ransom. This is an idiom. If something is worth a king's ransom, it means it is extremely expensive. That necklace looks like it's worth a king's ransom. He bought a watch that cost a king's ransom. 8. Not affordable. If something is not affordable, it means you can't afford it. It's too expensive for your budget. Healthy food is sometimes not affordable for poor families. These houses are beautiful but not affordable at all. 9. Beyond one's means. This is a very useful phrase. If something is beyond your means, it means you can't pay for it, it's too costly for your income. He bought a car that was beyond his means. You shouldn't live beyond your means. 10. High-priced. This one is simple. High-priced just means expensive. She always wears high-priced designer clothes. That high-priced furniture isn't better than the cheaper one. 11. Big ticket. Big ticket items are things that cost a lot of money, like cars, electronics, or houses. They bought a big ticket item, a brand new TV. College is a big ticket investment for many families. 12. Exorbitant. And finally, exorbitant. This is a more advanced word. It means unreasonably expensive. The restaurant charged an exorbitant amount for a simple meal. The cost of healthcare is exorbitant in some countries. So, there you have it. 12 different ways to say expensive in English with real-life examples. Try using some of these in your daily English practice and don't be afraid to sound a little more natural and expressive. If you liked this lesson, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and share this video with your friends who are learning English. See you next time, and remember, English is fun when you learn it the right way.